What's going on, everybody? Evan here with Evan's Detailing and Polishing. And in my hand, I've got the GoShineOn.com/shop respirator. Alright, so when you get this respirator from GoShineOn.com/shop, it comes in a box. It comes with the filters, the pre-filter covers, the plastics. Comes in a nice handy little bag. But when you get these things, they're real simple to put together. I'm going to show you how to put them together and how to do a fit test on them real quick. This is what your filter looks like. I probably should have pulled this apart ahead of time, but the pre-filter is in here and the plastic cover is already installed. I already put the pre-filter in there and put the plastic cover on. But when you start on the right side of your filter, you're going to put the filter so that it faces down, and then you're just going to turn it up to lock it in. Now the left side, you're going to start, I believe it's up. Yep, you're going to start up and it locks down. Alright, so now you've got your filters attached, everything's all set up on the front side. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to test fit it on my head. I'm going to show you and then I'm going to explain what I did. So what I do is I wrap it over my head first, like so, and then I slide it down into position. And then once it's in position, I tighten up the top to where I want it to be. Just kidding, you probably couldn't understand that at all. So what I do is I tighten the top first to position it where I want it on my face, and then I tighten the lower to bring it in. But I'll show you, before I tighten the lower, I hold my hand over the filter like this, and I breathe in to suck the filter in tight, and then I strap it, because I don't want to over tighten the straps. If you over tighten the straps, you will 9 times out of 10 break them. So here we go. Pull it down. I've got these adjusted where I want it. When you put your hands over the filter, you'll feel the respirator suck tight, and that's how you know it's ready. And that's it. So I don't put a ton of pressure on that. I don't pull it stupid tight because I don't need it really tight. The rubber gasket around the outside will hold it for you. So one more time, hands over the filter, suck it in tight. You see this closely? See how that pulled tight? Now if I want to check it for outward blowing too, I put my hand over the outward blowing filter right here. Pull it tight. You should feel it push out away from your face. When you blow out, you should hear air either trying to get out the sides somewhere, especially if you have that filter covered really well. When you breathe in, it should suck tight, and when you blow out, it should try to push the air out somewhere. But that's how you check for pressure fitting, to make sure that it's fitting properly for you. Like I said, these full face respirators are an absolute must for me. I don't do anything without a full face respirator. I wear this thing every day, all day. I have no intentions of never not wearing a respirator ever again. I remember the days when I first started, my first 6 years, I polished without a respirator. And I could feel after those first 6 years, my lungs were heavy. Every night laying in bed, I just felt like I was suffocating to death. Once somebody recommended getting a respirator, I wore a half face for the next 4 years. And that helped me breathe better, but I felt my eyes were just getting bashed and beaten and abused. Even with safety glasses, I felt like it was still getting in there and beating on me. And then somebody recommended a full face. I thought they were pretty expensive at first. We have a cheaper option. These ones here, they're about $100 for the full complete setup. But you can also get the 3M ones. They're a little pricier. They're right about $250 for a complete setup. I do know people that have the backpack air charged ones that process filtered air for you, so those work really well as well. But these ones, you get them right on GoShineOn.com/shop. You can pull them apart and clean them. They disassemble super simple. I use isopropyl alcohol, which is liquid gold right now with this whole pandemic thing, but they work really well for cleaning them up. So thanks for stopping by. Hope this helps you assemble your respirators. Make sure you're wearing it. Catch you later.